Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I'd like to tell about the track changes in Excel, or can also called as record changes. Okay, so now first of all, let us see when it is used and where it is used. Okay, for example, you have an Excel worksheet. You want to share that Excel worksheet to your friends, for example 10 members. Okay, for review. Okay, you have an Excel worksheet, so now you are sharing that Excel worksheet to your friends of 10 members for review. And here your requirement is you want to know the changes what they are doing on that particular Excel worksheet, who are doing the changes, at what time they are doing, on which date they are doing the changes. For your Excel worksheet, you want to know the complete history of changes. Okay, so this is possible with the track changes option in Microsoft Excel. That means whatever the file you have shared, okay, for that file what changes they are doing, you want to know the complete history, the changes history you want to know. Okay, that is the purpose of this track changes or record changes. Okay, so now let us see with an example. Okay, if you understand this example clearly, you can get the concept clearly. Okay, so now let us see here. One report is there that is called a student report. In the student report, here we have the marks, names, Hindi subject marks, English and science. Okay, now the marks here entered are incorrect marks. That means some marks or should be edit here. That means here we want the correction in some marks. Okay, so that's why I'm sharing this report, student report, to the respective class subject teachers. Okay, here in the subject English and science. Now I'm sharing this to the Hindi teacher and English teacher and science teacher. Okay, right? So after sharing this report, I want to know the changes, what they are doing, at where they are doing. Okay, who are doing the changes and who are not doing the changes. These all things I want to know. Okay, for that purpose we have to go for the track changes. Now let us start. First of all, we have to click on the review tab. Okay, we have to click on the review tab. See here, we have to click on this review tab. See here. Okay, in review tab we have changes group. In changes group, track changes option is there. Okay, now see here, track changes. Okay, this is the track changes option. Okay, so we have to click on this drop down arrow button. Okay, here you observe the option that is called as highlight changes. Highlight changes, that means see here, highlight changes. We have to click on this option, highlight changes, and here you will observe highlight changes dialog box. Okay, highlight changes dialog box. Here, see here, track changes while editing. This also shares your workbook. We observe here, whenever I clicked on this track changes, what happens? Whatever the file you are sharing, automatically it will go for sharing. So how we can know means we have to observe the file name at the top of the header bar. There you will see the shared. There you will see beside that your file name you will observe shared. Okay, so we have to click on this option. What happens? Whenever we click on these options, automatically this file is shared to your friends or respective subject teachers here. So that's why we have to click on this option. Okay, we have to select this option, and here you will observe again three options. See here, highlight which changes you want. That means whenever we click, when is there na, if you click here, you observe all changes. That means what are the changes they are doing, you want all changes since from date, from which date to which date you want, we can give. Suppose I am giving all the changes, I want to see, okay, what they are doing the changes. Who are doing, for example, you have sending for 10 members means 10 member names, it will display here. Okay, here only one person is there, me, that's why. So everyone, I want to see everyone. Here the third option is where. That means if you click this option, you will have to specify the area. From 3rd to 9th means if you click this option, we have to specify the area. From 3rd to 9th you have to select. So what happens if they do the changes from 3rd to 9th, only that changes will be displayed to you. So here I'm not clicking this option. Okay, highlight changes on the screen, click on OK. See, this action will now save the workbook. Do you want to continue? Yes, click on OK and give the, see here, track changes shared already. See here, it is now shared. This file is shared. Clear? Right. So now see here, now I am changing. See here, Raju, which is in D4. D4. Here I am changing the mark. See here, D4 it is. You observe here, D4 cell. Okay. Now here I am changing from 100 to, see here, 45 I am giving. Here also 100 marks are there. Here I am giving 78 marks. Okay. Here also I am changing 50 marks. Here also I am changing 69 marks. Okay. See, after selecting the track changes option, so we have changed here. Okay, so what happened, you observe very carefully here, what are the cells I have changed. Okay, so what are the cells I have changed, the cells are in highlighted. That means see here, the blue border came, you observe here, blue border, you observe here, blue border, here also blue border, here also blue border, and here also blue border. That means that cells which are changed, that are automatically highlighted. Okay, right. Now you observe here, if I keep the cursor here, you observe there, who changed this? Ravi changed. On which date? 6/20/2020. Okay, that means 6th date, sorry, 6th month, 20 date, 2020 year. At what time? Okay, 4 hours 6 minutes PM. Changed D4 cell, yes, from 100 to 45. That means here previous value is 100, now it is changed to 45. It is showing or not? If you keep the cursor here also, it will display. See here, who changed? Ravi changed. On which date, at what time, and from which cell. That previous value is there and new value is there. See here, see here, it's showing or not? Yes, it is showing. So now you want now the history of the changes, complete history of the changes, what they have been made on your Excel sheet. You want the complete history. Okay, for that again you have to click on this track changes, highlight changes. Here one option is there, you observe here. So this option, see here, this option, see this one. Okay, for history of the changes we have to select this option, list changes on a new sheet. Select this one and click on OK. So again we have to click on save and we have to go for highlight changes, list changes on a new sheet. See here, automatically one extra sheet came, that is called as history. In that, complete history is there here, on which date, at what time, who are changed, and the cell, okay, and the sheet 1, and the range means cell address D4, what is the new value and what is the old value. This is the complete history of the changes what they have been made on that particular sheet. Clear? So now I am closing this one, sheet 1 coming. Okay, so now here, suppose you want to be the changes here only, like this only, or you want to remove this one. That means you want to accept these changes or you want to reject these changes. For that also we have one option. See here in track changes, click on accept or reject changes. See here, accept or reject changes. See, this is the option here. Okay, so we have to choose this option, accept or reject changes. You see here, everyone, who means whose changes you want to accept. For example, Hindi or English, if you want to give the names, yes, you can give, particularly that person changes only it will accept. Okay, right, here everyone I am accepting. Let us see. Okay, see here, accept, reject, accept all, reject all. For example, first we have changed this one. If you want to accept, click here accept. If you want to reject, what happens if you click on reject, means whatever the previous value 100 is there na, so that will be come here. See here, reject. See here, 100. Suppose here 78 is there. If you want to accept this one, click on accept. It will be here only, like that. Suppose at a time you want to accept all or reject all. Accept all means click on accept all. See. Okay, accept all. See here. Here I have rejected. These all things I have accepted. Clear? So this is about track changes or record changes in Microsoft Excel. Okay, if you have any queries or doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.